Evening friends, my name is Swami. I welcome all of you to having a group discussion. Today's topic is job versus business. Uh, so let's start.
I would like to say you, I want to. Job is a good opportunity for the being status of public place or society. And you add you Dipti.
I think both are beneficial, but my view on the job is I don't have to work under any person. So my favor I think I'm favor about the business. Business is the best for the earning, self earning. So you have to write.
Yes, but I am favoring the job because job is giving us stability, a fixed income. Also, live 5 days working,
Yes.
5 days working only two holiday in a week.
Yes, I agree with you. But yes, I agree with you. Job gives stability and fixed income source, and you can gain more and more experience. You can gain more and more experience in job. Your salary is high, and in job there is no risk to get any some kind of risk in business, just like.
Yes.
So what you have?
I favor in job because it's I choose a job this is a very
I am favoring job because job is not job is not risky. Job is not risky. Maintain regular salary in every month. There is holiday in 5-6 days. No,
5 days.
5 days.
5 days working.
5 days working, and also if I have lots of money, I will choose business.
Yes.
That's my opinion.
Yes.
Yes, right.
What about you?
I favor about business that I favor about business that I think the job has salary I think
Limited salary.
limited salary. Business has lot of money chances, and इच्छा को क्या बोलते हैं?
It is.
Desire.
If I have desire like car,
I want to.
Mercedes,
I want to
yes.
purchase car. And
purchase car.
So you
ये
want to
वो,
your life is money.
business is better than job.
Yes,
Job has मतलब limited
Okay.
money to.
Okay.
yes I agree with you, but sometime in business our is lost money, and in business firstly invest our money, then start the business
And take a risk to
Risk also.
invest money
And
in
there
your
is-
business.
there
I am
is-
agreeing with you that there is risk from business, but if we can take risk, we can be rich after if
Risk
we are-
is equal to rich. Yes.
yes,
Or there is a
and
family business.
and we are our own boss. No one can
Yes.
give us orders.
Yes.
That is
we
my
don't work under any person.
I am also
Self-
agree with you. If we expand our business, we have. If we expand our business, we have lots of opportunity to give other people's jobs.
Yes. But I think you start a business, you have face a lots of problem
yes, definitely.
to grow our business, to give that position. I have dream to work business in that position. You have lots of problems, you have lots of failures, and
you face many problems.
you face many problems. That's right.
And first upon the स्टेज इसकी लाइक बेटर जॉब तो good opportunity for marriage.
Yes, yes, we are discussing. Yes, I agree with you. Yes, better package is directly equals to the marriage.
And also I okay, reputation job is very higher reputation of the job, like you is a banker or other is, but no, also he businessman is very good, like Ambani, Adani, they are also businessmen, and our country is working on business
GDP growth.
GDP.
Okay. In our rural region, job craze is very high as compared to business
Yes.
in our rural region.
In job, we experience lot of we learn lot of skills in our seniors,
Yes.
and also
In business, we have to gain some experience how to handle a problem and how to face a failure.
That's correct, but sometime you're not okay with the taking risks or other
Yes.
opportunity, because there are lot of time of stable business,
Yes.
and job is the take
Yes.
take,
Take salary and you have gained some experience.
and opportunity and designate lot of
Lots
time.
of time. At minimum years you grow our business at 5 years, but you have experience in one company, a job 5 years, your package is so high and there is no risk on job, so that's why job is very much.
but job is very
In our country, the job
Job
opportunity is very less. So
they are if we are getting job, we have lots of hardship in job. क्या बोलते हैं? मेहनत,
Hard work.
hard work.
Yes, but in your business can grow. It's lots of hard work because you face failures, you face problem to grow our business.
If you prepare government job, you have lots of patience, and also fail, and also patience, and also face that you should be failed.
But in business you have also patience.
Yes.
Both have also
So
patience.
because it take a time
Yes.
to grow our business, how to manage people, how to deal with people in
job
business.
also take
Job
time.
also takes
Yes.
time.
But job have fixed salary.
Yeah,
Fixed
And there
salary,
is no
holidays,
holidays
and sick
and
leave, and other
bonuses.
and time limitation. Overtime is give us
Give
some
some
money.
monies.
But job there is very good. It's by my opinion.
Yes.
In my opinion, I have lots of money, I start my business.
Yes.
Nice.
Actually, my dream is start a business, not a job. But I have not investment. I have not lots of investment, so I start first job, then start new business.
Which business?
Which business?
Resham,
Oh wow, very nice.
Resham means
silk. Sorry, silk.
Business has very up and downs,
Yes.
but first we will make if we make customers, then there are not very up and downs in business, but
In any business you have seen our today's today's scenario, online shoppings and
Yes,
offline
yes,
shoppings.
yes.
So there is very big effect on our business.
Yes.
Just like offline shops,
Yes.
clothes, and many more.
But our business is fruits, like they are
Yes.
online.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
Clothes,
fruits. There is very lots of
Yes,
effects
yes,
in our
yes.
online shop.
But business is best option, I think. When we are imagine I leave for 15 days for I leave 15 days for holidays. Like can I job the boss at we are asking for boss keep
Yes,
15 days
yes.
leave.
Yes, yes.
But business servant has handled the business 15 days for they are
So you don't
and
have
then
under
the cameras are
work in our.
there are cameras are mobile convert. I think we are watching these are
Yes,
Controlling
in
your
business
job.
we are
Yes,
the,
yes, yes.
boss.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
But in job, if you are woman, you have maternity leave. You have also get maternity leave.
Yes.
For
in job,
6 months is
6
maternity
months.
compulsory.
Compulsory 6 months.
in job you have take a work from home.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
If you
Yes.
have some illness and
Yes,
you
yes,
can
yes.
take leave,
Yes.
so you can.
And job, you favor the mediclaim and
Yes.
And in job, we have one own skill, and business does not matter. You have own skill.
But in my opinion, job have you have get a job. You have some completed the course, some like degrees,
Yes.
or you have some get skill.
BBA, MBA.
But
is
in business, you don't have any degree. You
No.
start your business in your
Own mind.
own mind.
No, BBA, MBA is a business studies.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but
But not much higher than the
higher that. Okay, okay.
yes. Because in job we have very important role play in resume, our skill, projects, internships, but not in our business because anybody can't ask your resume, experience, and that's
Yes. So, we conclude our discussion. Yeah, we will continue.
Concluded.
In business there are many skills and many opportunities,
yes.
and we can talk to many dealers and big dealers,
Yes.
and we can grow our business and advertise our business.
Yes.
There are many
lot of respect.
Lots of
Respect.
Okay.
Yes.
lots
so
of
many
But
give
in
you
job
little
also,
respect.
also have respect
respect.
in rural
Because we are
region.
boss.
In
No,
rural
no,
region,
in urban region also.
in rural region is so
All
high.
society. If all society.
You have job. In rural region is so high respect.
Your education is also important.
Yes, your education is also
Job.
In business we can do anything
Yes.
that we have to do. No one can say us.
Conclude करो.
So,
Okay, friends.
so conclusion is here. Job and
Job.
business have lots of pro versus con, but
Job is good. Business is also good.
but if business is good, then job is
Also,
and also job is good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Simple है.